Perched high above the Willamette Valley with sweeping views that stretch from rolling vineyard rows to the Cascade Range beyond, this exceptional Dundee retreat offers a rare blend of privacy, beauty, and elevated wine country living. This thoughtfully designed residence spans over 3,300 square feet, combining architectural scale with inviting finishes throughout. A dramatic wall of windows frames panoramic valley views and fills the home with natural light. The chef's kitchen features an impressive waterfall island, premium finishes, timeless fixtures, a walk-in pantry, and it seamlessly connects to outdoor living spaces designed for year-round entertaining. Rich hardwood floors, custom built-ins, and refined accents create a sophisticated and warm atmosphere. The private primary suite features its own sunrise deck, a peaceful retreat, complete with a spa-inspired bath. Flexible living spaces and a dedicated media room provide versatility for entertaining, relaxing, or working from home. Covered dining spaces, expansive terraces, firelit gathering areas, and a custom pizza oven invite memorable evenings with friends and family. A rare opportunity to experience refined design, an inspired lifestyle, and panoramic views in Oregon's celebrated wine country. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.